Connect the power cables to the inverter's BAT+ and BAT- ports. Connect the other side of power cables to batteries P+ and P- ports. Connect the battery and meter communication cables to the inverter's communication port. Connect the cable to the RJ45 port. Connect the connections terminals to the meter's RS485 and RS485B ports. Connect the CT's current sensor wires to the meter's CT current input ports. Connect the CT's voltage sampling lines to the meter's ports. Place the CT on the grid's inlet line. The arrow direction points to the grid. Connect the communication module to the inverter's COM2 port. Connect the other side of the battery communication cable to the BMS's INV port. Waiting for a few seconds, the battery will connect with the inverter. The SoC will be rightly displayed, and it will show COM.